A bad wheel bearing can cause a variety of issues, including unusual noises, vibrations, and even difficulty steering. So it's important to address them promptly. Here's a breakdown of the signs and what to do. Signs of a bad wheel bearing. Unusual noises. Humming, squealing, grinding, or clicking sounds coming from the wheels, especially when driving or turning, are strong indicators of a problem. The noise may increase with speed or when turning. Vibrations. Vibrations in the steering wheel or the vehicle itself, particularly when turning or at higher speeds, can be a sign of a failing bearing. Loose steering or pulling to one side. If your steering feels loose or your car